This robot can do jumping takeoff, walking, hopping, and jumping just like a bird. Birds simply jump in place to take off with their legs. The same legs also allow them to walk, hop over, or jump on obstacles. Inspired by their versatile legs, we developed Raven, Robotic Avian-inspired Vehicle for multiple environments. Raven's leg design simplifies bird legs for lightweight while retaining key features. The leg mimics the muscle and tendon system of birds to achieve higher jumping speed. With the legs, Raven successfully demonstrated jumping takeoff, just like a bird. Raven also demonstrated walking, hopping, and jumping, gaits commonly observed in birds. For more details, please read our article published in Nature, titled Fast Ground-to-Air Transition with Avian-Inspired Multifunctional Legs.